Hey guys! Hey. Welcome back to the channel. It's Delaney.
I'm Chip.
And today we're going to be doing our Liveglam unboxing and MORPHE collaboration.
New bag.
Yeah, who dis?
What?
I like it.
Yeah.
It's cute.
It came in the mail and I was like, I don't remember.
It looks very MORPHE-esque. They copied
right?
the exact kind of packaging on the foundation. Oh, they're connecting the dots. But yeah, this one's going to be a quick one, even though they're always quick, but even quicker because we only have 3 brushes to talk about, so not a lot of comments to make as well, but still interesting brushes this month. So, you want to tell us about the first one, Chip?
First, we will do the M557. This is a mini detail contour brush. So it's sized down, you can pack in some pigmentation. It's got some soft, dense bristles, all that good jazz to give you that contour look. I actually want to keep this one, so I'm going to open mine up.
It's very cylindrical.
Ooh.
It reminds me of the one I currently use, which is a dual fiber brush, and it has little elongated pieces, but this is nice and sturdy.
Yes.
It would be good.
I don't contour because I feel like I have like hyperpigmentation, like just here for some reason. There's no need for me to contour, but this would be a great brush to either brush away loose setting powder, or I would actually place like my transition color on my eyelid with this because it'd be quicker. Just in there.
I feel like every time
swipe,
we do one of these, we get a bigger brush. You're like, it's perfect for that.
Yes, I've got big eyes. If you have smaller eyes, probably not the right brush, but for your big eyes out there, you and I, we found our brush. Yes.
For your big eyes. Yeah, and I mean, maybe if you wanted to do like a highlight, a really thick highlight, you could do that too.
Right.
Just very nicely press it into there. And very nicely.
Very nice.
You know, don't have another candy apple drop.
So bad. Oh, so bad.
But so good. So I'm gonna do our big boys, and this is the E53, and this is the Pro Pointed Powder. It's tapered bristles, so it gives you that edge on there and puts you in control of the brush. It looks exactly like one I already have. I'll have to check and see what brush it is.
Have we gotten this before?
I think it's an E3 that I use. I didn't bring it today because I didn't do full face here today, so I'll be comparing when I get home. But this one, either way, was going to go into the giveaway, just like the first one for me, because we're going to have to do a giveaway soon.
I'm keeping this one, as you can tell. It's already touched my face.
Is it soft?
Yes.
You keep all the Elite brushes, though.
Yes. Elite, they are my favorite collection within the Morphe brand. I love the darker bristles. It's amazing because my natural skin tone products don't stain the bristle head. So it's really nice.
Okay, so last one.
Yes, you can do it if you want.
So this one is the E9. This is the only one I'm going to keep because I'm building my kit, and this is the last like one of the 5 brushes that I need to complete it. And this is a oval foundation brush. So if you like using a brush to apply your foundation, this is a good brush for you to have. It's the Elite collection as well. So if you like the brown tips, this would be a good one for you. And if you like using a lighter coverage foundation, brushes are a good option for you because it won't pick up as much product or disperse it as much as like a beauty blender will.
Keeping it. I love it.
Collection!
Nice. Yeah. It's really nice. I like it. I don't really use a lot of foundation brushes because I feel like this is time. But like Delaney said, this will come with multiple uses. So. Yeah,
the foundation brush that I use in my daily, I actually use it to apply liquid highlights. And it's a shitty brush from Wish. So that includes all the brushes this month. We do have, I'll link our first video where it has more information about the subscription. It goes to $19.99 a month. You can do 1 month to the next month, or you can do 6 months or 12. We haven't canceled ours yet. I've had it for...
I don't think I ever will. I love this one.
Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this one, and stay tuned to our next video. Follow us on our social media. It's all sugar_and_spice_makeup, where we post daily looks, any upcoming videos, and any sneak peek products that, you know, just anything we're up to these days. Check out Johnny. He's our #1 fan. Our #1 fan. The #1 fan.
Oh my god.
His queens. We'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!